wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best poker tables. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the pong-buddy Red 10 features well-padded water-resistant black armrests that encircle the full length of the table. The playing surface is also water-resistant, so if you and your friends tend to get a bit tipsy during your games, it's a smart choice. It fits under a bed for storage and comes with a wooden support frame. However, there's not enough padding under the cloth. At number 9, a durable option that's built with solid wood. The trademark Traveler comes with 2 decks of cards and other handy add-ons that make firing up a game a simple endeavor. It folds up to a quarter of its original size for convenient storage. It includes dealer and blind buttons and 300 poker chips, but the included carrying case is not high quality. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the Polar Aurora is marketed as an 8-person table, but truly accommodates just 6 if you want to have some personal space. It's quite sturdy despite its foldable design and features a padded surface that minimizes chip bounce. It comes with stabilizing cables and is good value for the price. However, its cup holders tend to fall out. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for poker tables, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the BBO Portable lets you turn any rectangular table 70 inches in length or longer into a card table. It's a sleek foam mat with an anti-slip rubber underside that can be unrolled quickly when it's time to play, and rolled back up when finished. It comes in at a budget-friendly price and is machine washable. It lies completely flat every time. Moving up our list to number 6, the IDS Home looks and feels like it costs considerably more than it does, so it's sure to impress any friends who play on it. The smooth speed cloth allows cards to glide elegantly across the table as you deal, and features charming suit graphics. It's equipped with sturdy pedestal legs and available in 3 color choices. However, there are no written assembly instructions. Halfway up our list at number 5, the Brybelly Deluxe sets up on top of most standard tables easily, quickly transforming your basement or kitchen into a casino. It's suitable for playing baccarat, craps, blackjack, roulette, and poker. Plus, it sports a sleek and attractive black felt. All the pieces fit into one case, and the weighted base is very stable, but the cup holders are quite shallow. At number 4, the Texas Holdem Platinum features an elegant cloth top and padded forearm rests that provide comfort during long tournament-style games. It may seem a little pricey at first glance, but after feeling the quality of the materials, you'll know you made the right choice. This one's manufactured in the United States, with stainless steel cup holders and a water-resistant surface. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. If you want to spruce up that man cave or are in the market for a dining room table that makes the most use of your available space, look no further. The Hathaway Kingston 3-in-1 lets you play cards and bumper pool or eat your meals, all from a single unit. It comes with 4 rolling chairs along with balls and cues. It's available in a walnut or oak finish. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for poker tables, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, if all you need is a basic no-frills model that can be used on almost any surface, the Giantex Portable is a solid option that's suitable for up to 8 players. It's foldable, easy to carry, and features durable cup holders and chip racks. It includes a carrying case and a soft vinyl underside. It weighs less than 30 pounds. And taking the top spot on our list, the Barrington Billiards ARC084 feels nearly as sturdy as what you play on in a casino, yet folds up for compact storage and transport, making it ideal for picky players who are looking to start weekly games at home. It's roomy enough for up to 10 people. It features flawless on-table graphics and thick forearm rail padding. Cards glide nicely across it. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for poker tables, or simply click beneath this video.